Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. If you're just tuning into this channel for the first time, I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, bringing you another property tour. So this home right here is located in the city of Henderson. Green Valley is the master plan community. Now, this neighborhood here is going to be on the north side of the 215. As you can see, this is a well-established neighborhood that was built in the early 80s. Now in this neighborhood, you're going to see you got sidewalks on both sides, wide streets, and all the homes are unique and completely different. So these are not a tract home. So back in the early 80s, they used to build homes like this where they're more custom than anything. And if we take a look, majority of these homes here have a lot of charm to them. So you ever seen like the show The Wonder Years? That's what it feels like here. Okay. Now this one has been completely rehabbed. It was built in 1980. As you can see, it has a 3-car garage, 2-story. It features 3,147 square feet, 4 bedrooms, and it also has a pool. So we're gonna get right into it. I'm gonna show you what a home looks like inside that was built in the early 80s. Okay. Some of the things may be outdated, however, this one has a little bit more modern stuff to it. I don't know, I'm going to say modernization. I don't know if that's a word. I just made that up. Let me know in the comments below. So this one right here, it looks like it has some sort of solar. Okay. Alright, let's go back here. Home is facing north on this one. This is a corner lot. Alright, let's take a look at this right here. The lot size on here is a 7,841 square feet. The exterior has been completely painted. What I like about these homes, you have the original fireplace. So it looks like the walkway to the front door, you have slate as well. And you got a section for your plants here. Brand new French doors. You got some brand new windows. And you got LVP, luxury vinyl. Here's your wood fireplace here. Actually got gas fireplace, I'm sorry. Whoops. Door just shut on me. That was a little bit freaky. Okay, so here, as you can see, we have the dining area, orange peel texture. This must be the garage here. So let's go into the garage, see what the garage has. Okay. I thought I knew where the garage was. Nope. You big dummy. You got 6 inches on the baseboard, straight edge cornering as well. Storage underneath the staircase. So homes back in this time period was pretty choppy at one point, as you can see. Give you a better perspective here. So we're going to head on back out to the pool. We got new French doors. Look how large this pool is. Now, as you can see how deep this pool is, it's probably like 10 feet deep. Typically, they would have a diving board right about there. And nowadays, they don't make pools that deep with a diving board, believe it or not. Looks like we have some solar. You got some extra storage here. And there's like a little gate here that takes you out to the main road. Looks like you got a brand new air conditioning unit. Okay, let's see what's on this side. So on this cooling deck, looks like it has been painted. You got some spalding right here too as well. Brand new air conditioning unit. Alright, look at that. Gorgeous. Now, if you're into like the old school like Vegas theme, this is pretty cool. Now let's see here. Take a look at the kitchen. This is going to be more of a galley type of kitchen. Again, you have the same standard shaker cabinets. All investors will have this with the full dovetails, soft closing cabinets. It's pretty much all the same products. Now, I've done a couple videos for this investor here. Give a quick shout out to the broker Enzo for allowing me to do the video tour. So the whole goal is to actually sell this property. You know, I want to share some love where, you know, you don't get too many people that want to see you win in today's world, right? Too many damn haters. But this broker right here, Enzo, you know what? He's like, yeah, go ahead and film it. Like, that's how cool he is, right? Because I noticed some luxury brokers, they don't like me filming their property. Just due to the fact that, number one, I may criticize it, right? But that's what this channel is about. It's not about just criticizing. It's just giving the consumer a better perspective of what the home really looks like, because it's very hard to tell behind the lens, right? And the camera, or even the photos. In addition to that, I notice these luxury agents want to hoard their listing. Like, if I had a bunch of luxury listings, if people wanted to film it and they had over 100,000 subs and they had followers, please, by all means, film it. I want to get more exposure. I want to sell the property. But the good news is that there's a lot of agents out there now. Oh, you got a crack on that casing there. This is your laundry we just came out of. Ooh. It's pretty loud. So this is definitely a low bearing just due to the fact that we have this support beam right here. Now let's go back inside. This is where your washer and dryer would go. Dryer and your washer. Like I said, it's going to be gas. Closet. Closet. I'm going to just turn off the lights as I go. Let's take a look at this little bar section. Pretty cool, right? Too bad you couldn't open all this up, but it's just so hard. Now let's go upstairs. Look at this. I kind of like this right here. This is gorgeous. All right, let's make our way upstairs. Brand new carpet. The banister has been painted gray. You can see the pine. So this is very unique. You got like a bedroom with a retreat area. Here's that balcony to the back here. Not gonna go out there. Again, if you guys want more measurements on this property, go ahead and click on the link in the description below. Here, this takes you into the attic. Crawl space. I'm not gonna go in there because they got the gogoy. I think it was called. Right? For all my Filipino friends out there. For all my Pinoy boys. Gogoy, y'all know what that means. Let me know in the comments below. So this one just pretty much matches the other one. Also, this home does come with a barking dog. Everybody has a nice little pool here. I'm gonna... Ooh. Okay. We're gonna head back inside. Now on this one, you don't have like the coax cables and the Cat 6, so you could do it two ways. You could poke holes on the side of the home, or you can run it down into the attic or the subfloors. These are all original, basically just painted all over it. Now as far as the look of the stuff, it's all pretty much flipper grade, and the attention to detail is not all there. However, what you get is the price, right? So for the price of the home, I understand. So here's your primary with the primary retreat, which is really nice. Closets on both sides here. Okay. You got these original windows. Now, these windows are not the dual pane windows, so it's gonna suck in a lot of heat for sure. These windows are new. Those are the dual pane windows. Dual panes, depending on which brand, like I see a lot of builders using Alpine, and that has the low E gas inside. Turn this on for a little bit. It might make a little bit noise. Love that soapbox. So let me just share a quick tip with you. Reason why you don't have a shower glass door here is because it's going to cost about $1,500. So typically investors will not add that on there. I'm just going to go around and just turn everything all off here. Love the kitchen. Little galley kitchen. Now let me know in the comments below if you think this is actually worth $619,999. Can't believe how expensive homes are getting today, guys. There were so many opportunities where I could have bought homes, and during that time period as a realtor, I still think the home was very expensive, but did not pull the trigger. And I missed out on a lot of opportunity. However, I am thinking about doing a collaboration with another YouTuber. We may be partnering up to do some flip homes for some content. I don't know where this light is at. It's probably right here. But the way that I want to do my flips, I want to do quality flips, right? I'm willing to lose a little bit of money. Now, when I say lose a little bit of money, I'm not talking about like lose money. I'm talking about the profits and the gain. Instead of making, 25% on my money, if I make 15%, I'm okay with that, but I want my name to be out there that I build quality products, right? But right now, everything's on the making. We're trying to find a really good deal, so that way we can hit some home runs. Lock this thing up. Boom. Double lock. Give me a second here. Very nice community. I mean, look how beautiful it is on a Sunday here. Temperature is around 70 degrees here in Las Vegas right now. Now, if you guys are interested in this property, the earnest money deposit is $6,000 where you can tie it up today. But property taxes, believe it or not, $2,037. Okay. And believe it or not, guess what? There's no HOAs. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits with Simply Vegas. and have a blessed day. Did you like that video home tour? Are you a fan of this channel and you want to get plugged into the real estate market? Well, I got something for you. We have a new channel, real estate, vlogs, Las Vegas lifestyle, behind the scenes, financing, flipping, commercial properties, interviews, local businesses, Chakits Krulsawat 2.0. Check it out.